Now I am going to tell about school uniform. Boys wear a white shirt, blue shirt, black shoes, tie and belt. Girls wear a blue uniform with white shirt, blue ribbon and black shoes. On Monday we wear house color t-shirt and black pant with white shoes. Now I am going to explain about homework. The homework includes writing practice, reading words or sentences. We practice maths table every day. Now I am going to tell about competition. We conduct monthly competition and celebrate all special days in our school. The winner of a competition will be appreciated. Now I am going to explain about activity. We have extracurricular activity like cinema, karate, drawing, bharatanatyam. Don't worry about grade 1. It is a wonderful journey where you learn many new things, make friends and have lot of fun. We are excited to welcome you to grade 1 next year.
Thank you, students.
Thank you.